So one of the 3 doctors that was offered this opportunity to do the course in the US. I'm so elated.
Well, I saw the MD today and he told me I was the only person picked for medical lab department.
You were?
Yeah, but
Congratulations.
I'm not going.
Why?
I can't leave Emeka for 1 year. I can't. Not after the last result we had. I believe that this is our time. Sheesh, look, I'm 38, okay? I don't have some years to gamble. I don't. A lot can change in 1 year.
Oh my gosh, Shay, ever since you got married, your life has only been about this man. Do you ever even just halt and think about you? Think about yourself. Think about what you want life to become for you, your career path. Do you ever do that? This is terrible. I really feel like crying for you, but mostly out of pity. But I'm not going to let you do this, okay?
Trish, I am not going. I already told the MD.
You did what? How? You want to hand this golden opportunity down to your subordinate just like that? Is that what you want to do?
Look, it's so easy for you to say. You have kids, you have a husband. I don't have any kid. Okay? Family is very important to me. It's better than this course than anything. And you would do the same thing if you were in my shoes.
No, I won't. No, I won't. You know what? I feel like crying right now. But mostly out of pity for you because you don't know what you're doing to yourself. Make sure you discuss this with Emeka first, though.
I'm not going to do that.
Why?
You would say that I should go, obviously. Not.
She. I feel bad. Because you're awfully stubborn.
In a good way.
This is not one of those times.
Trish, let us go home. I'm tired. Okay?
Hey, baby.
Hi. How's your trip?
Come here. I miss you. How have you been?
Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is this?
Mama.
Mama. Hey, Mama.
Emeka, my son, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You remember I'm coming to see you people tomorrow?
Yes, Mama, it's okay. It's fine.
Let me call you people and tell you before you start asking me unnecessary questions to me. As if I'm not welcome
Mama,
in my son's
we are
house.
expecting you. It's fine, okay?
Please, you people should prepare food that I can eat. Like a goosey soup.
Okay, Mama, we will.
Okay, greet everybody. Bye-bye.
Yes, Mama. You too, take care of yourself, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Mama.
She's coming tomorrow?
Yes, she's coming tomorrow.
Oh, how could I forget?
Baby, come here. Hey, look at me.
It's still low. I don't understand. The last 2 tests that we ran, it was 20 million and 25 million respectively. I don't know how this happened. Maybe Emeka was under a lot of stress or something. I don't know.
Shay, I don't want to discourage you. But at least take one of my advice.
Trisha, the only advice I'm going to take is adoption. And I told you, if this does not eventually work, I will adopt a child. If I adopt a baby now, or I adopt in the next 7 years a 7-year-old child, it's the same thing.
No, it's not. It's not.
You know, it's very easy to dish out advice when you're not the one wearing the shoes.
The only advice I give to you is the same one I'm going to take if I find myself in your shoes.
Trisha, I'm sorry.
It's fine. I'm not upset, especially if it's going to make you see reason. Shay, you are in the medical field. You understand human body better than Emeka. Emeka just doesn't have only low sperm counts, but motility too. My friend, look for a sperm donor while you can still conceive.
And how is he going to feel if I tell him about this? Huh?
If he loves you that much and appreciates all the years you have waited for him, it shouldn't be a problem. It shouldn't. What about the course? Are you going?
After this result, of course I'm not going. I need to go home and just forget about this. In fact,
understand.
I really don't want to take this home.
Baby, see this guy. Like, we're having a business conversation.
Don't be upset. Mama.
Welcome, Mama. Mama, what is that? Mama, what is that?
Mama, food is ready, Mama.
Please. Just bring a cup from the kitchen. Then come here.
Cup for what, Mama? What are you bringing cup for?
Mama, but
Come. Shay,
Ma.
food is not my problem. Food is not my problem. My problem is children. Shay, give me my own grandchildren.
Mama, enough of this, Mama. You promised me that when you step foot in our house, you will not harass my wife.
And you believed me. Well, I had you at half your age. What is wrong with you, this boy? You, I said bring cup, you brought glass.
There's no plastic cups in the house, Ma.
Anyway, it's big enough. Oh, yeah.
Mama, what is she doing? How no, Mama? This is not going to happen in my house. Mama, if you continue doing this, I will ask you to leave my house. Why is she even doing this?
Do you know why I drank it first? So in case your spiritual husband kills you, nobody will call my name. Mungwa, drink.
Mama, she's not going to drink.
Take it!
You're not going to drink this. What's wrong with you?
It's fine.
What is... Baby, are you crazy?
Come, what is wrong with you? Emeka, what's wrong with you? Is it the amala that's turning your brain? After I finish it.
Mama, I've had enough. Overdose is not good. I would...
You know what? Let's just put an end to all of this, Mama. There is something I have to tell you. No.
Mama, it's fine. It's fine. Mama, the food is ready. Let's eat.
Now I can eat.
Welcome, Mama.
I've lost my appetite. You're upset.
But she,
Ma?
but you know I don't like Gary. Yeah? If I talk now, they say I'm talking.
Ma, the other day you came, you said you wanted Eba.
That day, was a mistake. I was just pitying you. You shouldn't take it as liberty now. Because I'm trying to be nice. So, can you be giving me a bar? You're not giving the mother-in-law Gary. Giving your mother-in-law Gary. It's disrespect. Even the soup. The soup need salt. Fish. And the pepper. Pepper is too much.
Baby, still low.
Hey, the numbers are encouraging. We've got it up to 30 million. Some people have children with just 20.
Baby, in my case, it doesn't make any difference. Babe, I'm tired. We've been doing this for over a decade now, still no improvement.
No, that is not what I see. What I see is improvement. Okay? Let's just stick to it. We can even get it up to 40 million. Stick to the doctor's instructions and just be optimistic, please.
Shay, you're just a rare gem. And I love you.
I love you too. Okay? Just be optimistic. This too shall pass. I'm sure of it. Hey, no more. No more. It's okay. Wow. I cannot believe that 1 year just sped by.
My dear, with all the intensive courses, trainings and practicals, it seemed like forever.
I know. You learned a lot, right?
A whole lot. Don't worry, I'll tell you about it, okay?
I honestly would have loved to follow you guys, but I wouldn't have been able to concentrate. I would have just, been so disturbed.
I know. So, any improvements?
Trish, sometimes so many months it increases to 30 million, but the other months it just goes down. It keeps fluctuating.
Wow. But he's been good with his supplements and dietary regimen, right?
Yeah, especially alcohol. What, Trish?
Now when I think about it, there's something we must do.
Happy birthday to my favorite girl in the whole wide world. Baby, come on. You know what? I took the day off today and I called your office and I told them my baby girl is not coming to work today. I'm taking you. Come on, baby, you cannot work today. It's your birthday. I'm going to take you to your favorite restaurant and the day is starting with something classic. Breakfast I've made for you, baby. Come here, I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Oh, yeah. Baby, you are so beautiful. As beautiful as the first day I saw you, baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I'm getting older, actually.
no, not in my eyes. Every day you look more beautiful. Let me check what I'm making in the kitchen before it burns, okay?
I'm not going to work. Why?
I called the office, baby. You're not going to work, okay? I'm bringing you breakfast. Come to bed. Lie down. I love you, baby.
I cannot believe I turned 45.
Time flies, my dear.
I know. Trish, I think it's time I talk to Emeka about adoption. I think it's time.
And sperm donor too. Whichever one, I'll support you.
Adoption.
If you can talk to him about adoption, why can't you talk to him about his sperm bank? Whichever way, he is still going to be part of it.
Because after adopting, we will still have our own child. Trisha, I want to carry my own child.
And you will.
And I will.
Sure. Well, I'm happy you're thinking about adoption now. You both deserve it. You both have very strong bond.
Thank you.
Really strong.
Girl,
I'm
45.
I know.
I don't even look you.
You look 20.
Girl! I'm like, wait.
We should celebrate this.
I don't want to even think about the fact I'm 45.
So, this 55-year-old woman just gave birth to a set of twins yesterday. And mother and babies are doing just great.
Baby. Honey. Wake up.
You're ready for work?
Yeah, why did we stop testing again? You never know, it might become positive.
Baby, it can be frustrating, baby.
Honey, we cannot stop trying. We must not stop trying, please.
Okay, you said you wanted to talk about something. What is it?
It's nothing. Just wanted us to keep trying, keep testing, and assure you that we will have our own child. Okay?
Okay, baby, yeah. We will. I'm tired.
Can't be tired.
And as we leave you today, we are going to leave you with this uplifting song. Enjoy your day. Get up and try again. It's all about you and you. Get up and try again. It doesn't matter how much you try, you'll still fall.
I have to go to work. No, I will have to go to work.
So have you started the adoption process? Shane?
Trish, let's try some more. Please. The other day I was listening to the radio. I heard a 55-year-old woman giving birth to twins. I'm just 45. Let's even leave the 55-year-old woman. We've been seeing and listening to good news in this hospital. It's just so sad that you, one of the frontliners, you're giving up on me. It can be discouraging.
Do you know what those women do? Do you? They get sperm donors with the support of their husbands. Yes, they do. Emeka is a good man. Talk to him. Talk to him. He will listen to you. What's wrong with you?
Emma.
Hi. Sorry.
You okay?
Babe, there's something I would like to discuss with you.
It's about our childlessness, right?
Can we just get a sperm donor. Please. Look, I'm sorry, okay? And I know how this sounds. But I'm not getting younger again. I'm not. I'm a woman. Emeka, time is going. Once we get on this journey, you won't know the difference. This child will be our... This child will be our child, please.
Yes. We can, Shay. We can.
Yes?
Yes. I mean, you've been an extraordinary woman, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't give you a child.
No, it's fine. It is okay. This child will be our child. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It is all right. You don't need to apologize. Hey, you shouldn't do that.
What? Why? So that my sperm count can increase? It's not happening. Let's just understand that it's not going to happen.
Emeka,
my sperm count is not going to increase.
That is not fair.
I said it. Let me drink.
That is not fair.
Let me drink.
That is not fair at all. Emeka.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's not your fault. It's me. I just feel so sad, so hurt that you are childless because of me, baby. Like, you have no problem. It's all my fault. How could I do this to the woman I love?
It's okay. Please. It's fine. Just follow me on this journey, and that's all I ask for. Please.
I would do that, and much more.
Look at me. I love you.
I love you more, babe. I love you more than anything else in
I
the
love
world.
you most. And I choose you over and over again. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
This is so frustrating sometimes.
It's fine. It is fine. Trisha, I'm worried.
Why? Look, if you're scared about this, we can get a surrogate.
No, that's not it. No.
Then what?
I did not see my period last month. I thought it was my hormones, and it happened this month again.
Did you have flashes or Any symptoms?
No, I did not. No.
Then don't worry, it might just be anxiety or depression, you know, given what you've been through lately. You know what, calm down, okay? Relax, there's nothing to worry about. I will let you relax before we continue with the ovary stimulation, okay?
Relax.
Calm down.
Okay, I just hope that it's not.
It's not. It's not.
Okay.
Honey, what happened? Should I talk to me? What is it?
Emeka, it has happened.
What has happened?
They said my eggs are too old. That it is useless. Emeka, I hate menopause. I can't carry my own children anymore.
I'm sorry.
I hate menopause.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We'll find a way. I'm sorry. We'll find a way.
I'm really sorry, Shay. Please, you need to take things easy.
Trish, we did everything. We did everything we could.
know.
Menopause. Just like that, menopause. I didn't think it was time. Oh. I didn't even get symptoms. Or maybe I did, and I didn't pay attention because I was in my feelings. I didn't know. Menopause.
Maybe it's time we...
You know what? Trish, I'm tired.
It's okay.
I'm tired. I'm tired. No more baby talks. I'm going to go for this course next weekend. I just want to take a break.
You were picked?
Yes. The only one from Lagos. The other scientists that are going for the one-year course in the US are under 40.
Well, 1 month's distraction is not such a bad idea. I'm really happy for you.
Trish, look at me.
You need this.
Look at me. There's nothing else that I'm fighting for.
What about?
What about what? What about... You know what? I don't want to talk about this again.
Okay.
I need to focus. I need to...
It's fine. I understand.
I'm tired. So, like I said, it's a 5-bedroom with 6 bathrooms and a kitchen. I said it in the contract. And I go to clean and cook everything.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take you to the house.
Okay, ma. Sir, good evening. Welcome. Your food is ready, sir. Can I get it now? I don't even understand this house. This man doesn't eat. So why did they include cooking in the contract?
forgot to lock the door. I just got in from packing the beddings I washed. Welcome, sir.
Emeka. What is wrong? Look at how lean you are.
Mama, you didn't call me to tell me you were coming.
Biko, stop it. Did you pick my calls? Did you return my calls? Emeka, what's going on? Look at you, so lean. Where is the girl that your wife brought to take care of the house?
I sent her away.
Oh, she can't cook.
I don't need her. I don't need her food. I don't need anything.
Emeka, what's going on?
Mama, why are you here? Why did you come to my house?
I'm the one who is asking the questions right now. Again, what is going on? Please don't tell me there's nothing, because it's obvious. What's wrong?
Mama.
And you kept all this to yourself? You didn't tell me?
Mama, what were you going to do? Huh? Tell me, what were you going to do? Bring those your concoctions, things that you put in the bottles that you even brought for my wife the last time? Mama, who knows? Maybe it was even those things, all those things I was taking when I was a child that even caused this problem for me.
Emeka, is that what the doctor said?
It's not what the doctor said. I'm just...
Emeka. What are we going to do?
I don't know. I don't know, Mama. I don't know, Mama.
My daughter, oh! My daughter, come and hug your mommy. Oh, my daughter, look at you. Haven't you not been eating? Hey, you've been thinking. Hey, but hug mommy, hug mommy. Hey, mama. See, I've made you special delicacy. So you go upstairs, maybe dress down, baby. Just come back and eat, eh? Hey, ezigbo nwamo, Adamo. Welcome. Ngwa. Yeah, take her bag now. Take her bag. Hey, take it upstairs. Hey, my daughter, le. My daughter is back. Oh, I will go and serve the food there. Oh. Oh. Hey, ezigbo nwa. Let me put her first. Ngwanu, you people should come down, no. Sheyi, food is ready, oh, Biko, come down. The best wife in the world. You don't find them like that these days. Eh? Decent girl.
Hey, my girl, I'm really happy to see you. Yes. I had to jump in the car as soon as I heard you guys were there.
I miss you too.
I missed you. okay. You weren't sounding good on the phone during the training.
Girl, I just wanted to put all my energy in that course. I needed that break.
I know. I'm really happy you went for it.
I'm glad to. I am.
So, how are things with hubby?
Well, he's trying to make me feel like everything is okay. But I'm worried. I watch him when he's alone and he seems very troubled.
It might be office work. Or have you tried to find out?
Maybe it's just the guilt.
That too. My girl. Only a few women can do what you did. Believe me.
Trish, the truth is, Emeka has done something similar for me.
How?
Remember that accident that claimed my parents' life? Guess who was in the hospital for a month, taking care of me? Emeka.
He was your boyfriend, so that was his job.
Even when the doctor said that I won't be able to have a child.
What?
Because the accident affected my pelvic girdle. Emeka stayed. You know, I was so devastated. I couldn't imagine not carrying my own child. But when Emeka found out, the next day he bought a ring. I went down on one knee and proposed to me.
Wow.
He said he couldn't imagine doing life without me. You see, Emeka did that for me. He has always loved me differently.
Well, you're right. You both share a special bond.
That I agree.
I'm really happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
Don't worry. We'll catch up later. I have to run. Okay?
You have to go?
Yes, I have
Why?
to.
I just got here.
I know.
You don't have...
but I have to go, my darling.
Shay,
Ma? Oh, Mama.
how are you? I hope you've rested well.
Yes, Ma.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, my dear. The doctor, right?
Yes, Ma.
Good to see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why don't you stay for some mama soup? I make them really delicious.
Okay.
Don't worry. It will be ready before you say bruha.
All right,
You
Ma.
okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, Ma.
Right.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay. All right, girls.
What happened? Emeka told her. I'm surprised.
And I've been begging you to tell her since.
Because I didn't want her to interfere with the treatment for Emeka. I didn't want that. If she could get me, a lab scientist, to drink one of her concussions, imagine what she would have done to her son.
Emeka wouldn't.
Trish, you don't know my mother-in-law. She gets everything she wants, okay? And you forget that that's her son. I just didn't want her interfering.
Oh, well, that soup is sure going to be delicious, right?
That woman has not started boiling the meat. She gets anything she wants. I'm sure you're ready to stay now. I've been begging you because of soup now you're going to stay. See?
Looks like it.
You're such a foodie.
You want me to miss this opportunity?
What has been happening at the office, Joe?
Oh, yes.
Honey, you're not coming to bed? I'm so full. What's up?
We need to talk.
We need to talk?
Yes.
Okay.
So, what do we do now?
I think what's the best thing for us to do is to just stop all the talk about babies in this house for once.
We're trying to find solution, Emeka.
Mama, we love each other. And that is what matters.
My wife and I, we've decided to just move on, take a break from all the baby talk, and then just breathe some fresh air. That's all.
The most important thing in a marriage is companionship, Mama. People that have kids, they're not as happy as we are.
Exactly.
We genuinely and truly love each other. And we are happy.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama. You, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Leave my house!
Emeka.
Mama, leave my house!
Are you okay? Stand for long.
Can't stand for long. What's the meaning of this?
Yeah.
I'm pregnant for you, sir.
Eh?
For who?
Yeah! What?
Baby, she's lying. Don't even listen to her. You're pregnant for who?
2 weeks gone, sir. Yeah. That night.
Look, this you are a liar. Oh. I was drunk. I don't even remember what happened. I remember that I woke up in her room. I don't even know how she got me in her room. Baby, you don't, Mama, don't even listen to her. She's lying, baby. You know that that's not true.
Wait. That night you went to her room.
I didn't. I was drunk, and I was going upstairs. I don't know how I ended up in her room. I think she.
Emeka, shut up. Just shut up. If you cannot handle staying alone with a maid for just 1 month, just 1 month! What do I know you've been doing with your sperm all these years before we got married? What? I've been looking for the cause of our problems all these years! All these years, Emeka!
You cannot believe this girl! She's lying! You know that I cannot impregnate a woman! You cannot believe a girl who is lying about the paternity of a child.
Who says you can't impregnate a woman?
Mom.
Says who? All the tests you've been running, is it not at her place of work? So what makes you believe this barren woman?
No, Mama, seriously. I will not have you talk about my wife like that. Mama, she is my wife. Do not talk about her like that. I told you, not because of this liar.
So it's you.
Just shut up. Did I sleep with you?
Emeka, did you sleep with her?
Baby, believe me. You cannot throw away all we've built over the years because of this. I don't know. I know I was drunk.
Did you sleep with her?
Baby, I was drunk and I woke up in her room.
You woke?
Yes, I don't know what happened. I don't know how I got there. I don't maybe, but maybe I don't remember. I was drunk.
He's a liar. He told me he liked me that night.
Like you killing them. Who liked you? Babe, I was drunk. I don't know. I don't remember anything. Come on, listen to me. Baby, Mama, you have to listen.
Emeka, but you have not done anything wrong. You haven't done anything wrong. Who says you cannot? When was the last time you ran the test?
I don't know, but I know she's lying. She's lying. I'm not responsible for your pregnancy. You're trying to destroy my home. You're trying to destroy my home. That's what you're trying to do. Let me go after my wife.
He's lying. He told me he liked me that night.
So, how did you went to him or he came to you?
Take, run this test. Make sure you run it yourself. Okay, doctor. Says here your sperm count increased to 49 million. That is enough to father a child.
Trisha, can I run another test? I mean, you guys repeat these tests every 2 to 3 weeks, right?
To what end?
Look, this particular result should not be, especially that night. I was heavily drunk. I drank so much, and you, of all people, you said to me that alcohol is top on the list of what to avoid if I want to increase my sperm count.
Please,
so,
some things beat medical reasoning, okay? You know how they say it. Things are not only black and white. They can be gray sometimes.
No. No, like, what do I do, Trisha? I mean, why now? I can't even look Shay in the eyes. I feel like a demon.
You know, I'm only doing this because Shay asked me to. Not like I really want to. And if you must know, Shay herself ran these tests. Her colleague had an emergency, so he forwarded the test to her, and I didn't know about it. I can't even begin to imagine what she's going through right now. In fact, I would never even wish my enemy to be in her shoes right now. You know what? You have to go, because I have a friend to be with, okay?
We can even get it up to 40 million. Stick to the doctor's instructions and just be optimistic, please.
like, you have no problem. It's all my fault. How could I do this to the woman I love?
It's okay. Please. It's fine. Just follow me on this journey, and that's all I ask for.
love you now and forevermore. You should think. You should think. There's nothing that's gonna break our love. I love you. I love you, baby.
I love you, Jude.
You threw me pain pretending it wasn't you, and now I'm sweating out here in the cold. But I can say my heart's been broken, 'cause you took it from me and replaced it with pain. I haven't been able to find answers since you were gone. I never had to look before now, 'cause you were here all along. You light for the time of my life. Never imagined, and now will I still believe since you were gone.
Shay. Shay, it's okay. Shay, please, it's okay. It's okay. You'll be alright. Okay? You'll be alright. Please.
You know, the other day, I told Emeka. I told Emeka about the advice that you gave me.
You did?
Yes. And we said we were not going to tell Mama. Until we get that child. Because we were trying to avoid unnecessary anxiety and pressure. Trish, we were planning, not knowing that
it's okay. Shay, life will be beautiful again. Please. Things will turn around. Believe me, I don't know how it's going to happen, but I believe deep down in my heart that you'll be all right. You know why? Because life cannot possibly be ugly to you. You are one of the most beautiful hearts in the world. Shay, everything will be fine. Okay? Please, come to bed. Please.
No, just go enjoy your husband. It's fine.
He understands.
Trish, please. Okay.
Shay, there's really no fuss. My husband is asleep. He didn't even see me leave the room. Besides, my children are in boarding house, so I am 100% here for you. My friend, I am here for you, Shay. Please. It's fine.
Shay, please. Shay, can we talk about this? Shay, please, I need you home. Shay, I can't live without you, please. Just let's talk now. Shay, I beg you. Let's talk.
It's okay. We have 20 good eggs that we can use. Oh, that you froze 6 years ago, remember?
Yes! Oh, so that 20 is more than enough?
Of course, it's enough. We can make do with that. It's actually more than enough. We can make do with that, okay?
Okay.
So don't worry. Don't worry. We'll be all right. All right, okay? It's okay.
I am doing it right now.
Shay, you're not in a stable mind. Okay? Let's wait another year.
Another year? I am doing this month. This month.
All right. So are we going to the sperm bank or do we have a donor? You need to make up your mind.
I don't know yet. I expected to work at first shot.
It will work with time, okay? You were emotionally unstable at the time, so maybe that's why. But it will work. We need to give it time. But you'll be alright, okay? We'll try again. I mean, this happens, okay? Hi, girl.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm glad you and the baby are doing fine. I will place you on bed rest until I declare you comfortable enough to walk around, okay? So don't do anything.
That is not on delivery day.
I can do that, you know. So don't talk too much. I'll get you some fruits when I'm coming, okay?
Okay. Take care. Bye.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's just I'm experiencing some pain, but you know what? It's fine. Any pain I can endure as long as I can carry my child in my own arm. I'm fine.
And you will.
Amen.
The pains are expected. It comes with the condition. But you'll be all right.
Yeah.
You see, bed rest is the only thing you can do for you and the baby. You need it.
Thank you. I heard some noise. Is it your husband?
No, that was actually Emeka. But I told him you're not feeling up to it. Does he know?
No. I just want to focus on myself.
That's the best thing to do, okay? I bought you some fruits. I'll go wash them for you.
Thank you.
Hang in there.
Shadows descend and my days grow cold. It's easy to run away. Where would I go? It's getting harder to breathe. Somebody help me. I wanna be free. Hey, don't be far away from me.
Biameka, how could you dump that girl with me?
Mama.
What is wrong with you?
I don't understand. You took her with you. I had nothing to do with that.
Okay, she has disappeared.
She's not a child. She's probably gone back to where she came from.
A girl disappears with your pregnancy, and this is what you say. What has she been feeding with you with that has made you so cold, unreasonable, and unfeeling?
Mama, I'm tired. I've had enough of these shenanigans. I'm not in the right frame of mind, Mama. I just want to be left alone. Can you just do that for me? For once?
Shenanigans.
You can make yourself comfortable,
Shenanigans.
Mama.
You better go and look for her.
Mama, make yourself comfortable.
Go and look for her. If it was another man, they'll be so happy with her condition. But not you. Hey! Emeka! Go and look for her.
Shay, it's been hours, Doctor. Don't worry. She'll wake up. Shay? Shay? My darling, Shay, wake up. Hello, my warrior friend. How are you? Do you feel good? Your baby boy is so beautiful. I'll bring him, okay? Nurse, yes, get the baby.
Oh, no, don't bring him. Don't bring that child here.
Why?
I don't want to see him. Do not bring that child here, okay?
It's your baby.
Take him far away. I don't want to see him. It's not my child.
It's okay.
My baby. Don't bring him here.
It's okay. Please
Don't.
relax. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. She.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Trish, for everything.
It's okay, my friend. We're friends. You can do same for me. It's okay. So do you want to see him now? It's been 2 weeks.
2 weeks. And I haven't seen my son. Please. Bring him.
I'll bring him.
Sir, please, sir.
No, excuse me. No, Emeka, please. Not now. Emeka, not now.
Emeka, do not come close. Don't come close.
It's okay.
Don't!
Emeka, please. You
Can't
can't do this.
Don't!
It's okay.
Let him go.
Emeka,
Go!
Emeka, leave.
I did everything. I did everything for you. And you don't come close.
It's okay. He's gone.
Don't come close. And who am I supposed to give him everything? The man that gave him everything. Everything.
Okay, now, please. He's gone now. He's not here anymore. It's okay. It's okay.
Hello,
Hey, you. How much you running to see him? God, you look nice. I was going to come to your office.
Thank you. You're such a great mom.
Oh, thank you. I like your hair.
Huh? So excited to see you.
Oh, okay. I'll join you soon, I hope.
Of course.
Take care.
Bye, baby.
What are you doing? Please, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. Everything was a lie. I lied, ma. I'm so sorry, ma.
You lied?
Ma, please. I was so desperate. I was not seeing any future for my daughter and I. So when I came into your home and saw the situation, your childlessness, I wanted to take advantage. That night with Olga, a day before the day, I found out that I was pregnant for my boyfriend.
Why is this man doing this to himself? I don't even understand. Why the wife left him and traveled? All alone here.
And they're telling me.
Since I came here, he's been drinking almost every day.
Don't want me to drink. What am I doing with myself?
Wonder what's wrong with him.
Can I give my baby? Give my baby.
Sir, are you okay?
I'm okay. No, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Let me help.
I'm fine.
Let me help you to your room.
I offered to help him to his bedroom, but instead took him to mine and tried seducing him. But even in his drunken state, he rejected me, ma. The next morning, he became so furious when he saw himself in my bed.
Oh my God. What am I doing in your bed?
You don't remember anything?
Remember what? Don't tell me we... No. Wait. So you planned this? What happened? Did you bring me here?
Emeka, I'm a grown woman. I know some things are meant to be kept secret, so you don't have to worry about this.
Worry about what? You are mad! What's wrong with you? You know what? You are leaving my house this very minute. Pack your things and leave my house. You are leaving my house. What's wrong with you?
You don't say. Just when you think you've heard everything. So we owe Emeka a very big apology then. You know, I'm so glad I took the decision I did. Because sometimes I feel ashamed of it. I feel sad sometimes.
Freezing your eggs? There's nothing to regret. I am proud of you for taking that decision. At least, that's one of my advice you took. I like it, okay? Wait, what decision?
Trish, Declan is Emeka's.
No! Hell no!
I knew you were going to think it was a stupid idea, so I didn't want to tell you. When I saw that the count increased, I knew it was for a reason and that he would not fail. So I took some after the test.
You mean you stole some?
Trish.
Girl, you are some sperm thief. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. This was a good idea. Look at it this way. If that girl hadn't lied,
we wouldn't have known that Emeka's count increased.
Yeah.
Are we coming?
Of course, you can come in. Come in. Shay.
Hi.
Trisha.
How are you?
I'm fine. What a surprise. Sit down, sit down. Oh, come on, I see your little baby.
Emeka, I wanted to apologize. I'm so sorry I didn't believe you.
Look, sweetheart, I mean, it's not your fault. anybody would have reacted the way you reacted. I mean, I don't blame you.
Emeka, I am equally sorry for everything.
Trisha.
You didn't deserve it. We treated you really badly. I'm sorry.
Trisha, you were just being a good friend. And I'm so happy that you helped her to be a mother. See this beautiful boy. And, you know, I felt worse that I couldn't give her a child. I mean, after so many years, and now, at least, she's not being denied the gift of motherhood. She has a child.
Oh, Emeka, you've always had a beautiful heart.
Baby, I mean, come on, just look at the house. Can you just come back home? This house needs you. Please, I need you.
I am home. My things are in the car.
Oh my God.
It's true. Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Oh man. Okay, we're family again. We're family again. Look at this handsome man.
And I'm coming back with everything, including our son.
What did you name him?
Eklanimeka.
Like you named him after me after all this while.
That's because it's your son.
My son.
It's your son, Emeka. I borrowed this specimen shoe dropped at the lab from your last test. Twice.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Appreciate. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you, man. You're home with Daddy, okay? You're home right where you belong, okay? Daddy's gonna take good care of you, alright? Daddy's gonna love you. You have the best mommy in the world, right? Oh, you seriously?
Everyone sees the picture perfect, but no one knows what happens behind.